Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best end of bed bench is probably one of the most versatile and stylish additions you can make to your bedroom, offering a perfect blend of functionality and aesthetic appeal that can instantly elevate your space, providing a convenient spot to sit, store items, or simply enhance the overall design of your room. Number 5. SONGMICS MAZIE Folding Storage Ottoman Bench. Setting up this storage bench is a breeze, taking just seconds with its simple foldable design. When not in use, it easily tucks away under your bed or in a closet. Discover ample storage with a generous 35-gallon capacity. Use the included divider to organize your items or remove it for larger belongings. Crafted with premium materials and reinforced corners, this ottoman is incredibly sturdy. It can reliably support up to 660 pounds, serving as a dependable seat or storage solution. Enhance your decor with its elegant tufted design and chic linen look surface. The comfortable cushioning provides lasting relaxation. This versatile piece functions as storage, a footrest, or even a coffee table. It's perfect for any room, from the living area to the bedroom. What we like? This ottoman is designed for ultimate convenience with its quick, foldable setup. It offers ample storage with a removable divider to keep things organized. If you need a storage solution that's easy to put away and set up, this is the one for you. What people say. The bench is sturdy enough to sit or rest your feet on, and the padded top feels comfortable and looks clean and modern. It's easy to assemble and small enough to tuck at the foot of a bed or in a corner, making it ideal if you want extra storage without clutter. Pretty solid. Super easy to put together and looks nice once it is. Nice and sturdy to sit on as well. It's so stable and durable that we can also use it for additional seating. It was super simple to put together. Very functional, and I believe it will last for a while. Number 4. SONGMICS Foldable Storage Ottoman Bench. Experience chic linen look upholstery with elegant tufting. Its double-layer fabric and high-resilience foam offer lasting comfort for your relaxation. Built with premium MDF panels and reinforced metal guards, it reliably supports up to 660 pounds. This makes it a strong seating or storage solution. Enjoy a generous 30-gallon capacity for blankets, books, and more. A removable divider helps keep your items neatly organized inside. It features 4 legs to elevate and keep the bottom clean. Non-slip pads on each leg ensure stability and protect your floors. This versatile piece can be used for storage, as a footrest, or even a coffee table. It's perfect for any room in your home. What we like? This bench features a chic, tufted design and thoughtful plastic legs to keep the bottom clean and protect your floors. It provides generous storage space for your essentials. If you're looking for a stylish piece that also keeps your floors pristine, consider this option. What people say. Took less than 10 minutes to put together alone, no tools needed, really easy. Despite that and the cheap price, it doesn't look cheap and feels sturdy. Using it to store bed linens. Very sturdy, looks good in any room. The storage is exactly what I was, and specifically the legs is something I wanted. Love my ottoman. It was easy to assemble, it has nice size storage inside and fits perfectly at the foot of my queen-size bed. Number 3. SONGMICS Storage Ottoman Bench ULSF 088G01. Experience chic linen look upholstery with elegant tufting. Its double-layer fabric and high-resilience foam provide lasting comfort for your relaxation. Built with premium MDF panels and reinforced metal guards, this chest is incredibly strong. It reliably supports up to 660 pounds, ensuring it lasts for years. This bench offers a generous 27-gallon capacity. It's perfect for storing blankets, books, and other essentials, keeping your space tidy. Choose to use it with the fabric cover to complement your elegant decor, or without it to suit a modern, simple aesthetic. The choice is yours. Utilize it as a shoe bench in your entryway, a coffee table in the living room, or a storage stool at the end of your bed. It adapts to your needs. What we like? This ottoman offers a unique feature. You can use it with or without its fabric cover to match your decor. It boasts an elegant design and spacious storage. If you appreciate flexibility in styling your home and need a functional storage piece, this is a great choice. What people say. This bench is very sturdy and well made, with a beautiful finish that complements my bedroom decor. The storage compartment is surprisingly spacious, perfect for blankets and extra pillows. Assembly was straightforward and took less than 30 minutes. Number 2. SONGMICS Storage Ottoman Bench ULSF 088B01. Experience chic linen look upholstery and elegant tufting that adds a stylish touch to any room. Enjoy lasting comfort thanks to the double-layer fabric and high-resilience foam. Built with premium MDF panels and reinforced metal corner guards, this chest is incredibly strong. It reliably supports up to 660 pounds, serving as a dependable seating or storage solution. With generous dimensions, this bench offers ample 27-gallon volume. It's perfect for storing blankets, books, or bed sheets, keeping your space tidy. Choose to use it with the fabric cover to complement elegant decor, or without for a modern, simple look. The choice is yours to match your interior style. This versatile piece can function as a shoe bench in the entryway, a coffee table in the living room, or a bed and stool for clothes storage in the bedroom. What we like? This ottoman provides the same versatile styling option as the previous one, allowing you to choose whether to use the cover or not. Its ink black color offers a sleek look and it comes with spacious storage. If you prefer a darker, sophisticated aesthetic and want the flexibility to change your decor, this is ideal. What people say. The bench appears to be sufficiently strong enough to handle my 180 pounds weight with no problem, so that's a huge plus for me. The bench is exactly as pictured, beautiful gray color and very comfortable to sit on. Great storage space and appreciate the option of covered sides versus open sides. This ottoman combines functionality, durability, and comfort seamlessly, making it an ideal addition to any living space. The cushioning provides excellent support, making it a comfortable seating option for anyone. The added benefit of having 2 ottomans under the windows in your loft creates a charming reading nook while maximizing functionality. Number 1. Ball and Cast 50 Tufted Storage Bench. Looking for a stylish bench for your entryway or bedroom? This piece offers a comfortable spot to sit or extra seating for guests. Crafted with a durable wood frame and a soft, upholstered seat, it provides a superior sitting experience and adds elegance to your home. It supports up to 250 pounds. The button tufted stitching on the top adds a touch of sophistication, making it a contemporary design that blends with various decor styles. This comfortable bench features safety hinges to keep the lid open and ensure a soft close. It's perfect for hiding away clutter while keeping daily items accessible. Enjoy pure relaxation with its skin-friendly, fluffy fabric. This modern bench measures 50 wide, providing ample space for comfort. Assembly is a breeze with all instructions, accessories, and tools included. You'll have your new comfortable seat ready in no time. What we like? This bench stands out with its sophisticated button-tufted design and safety hinges for a soft close. It's also wider than many options, offering more seating and storage space. If you prioritize safety, a more generous size, and a touch of classic elegance, this bench is a fantastic pick. What people say. This bench adds the perfect glam to my space and gives me the functional storage I was needing. The furniture is as the photos show, perfect size, perfect color, it feels very soft to the touch. The storage is nice and the hangguests are sturdy. Super easy to put the legs on. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.